Welcome back. So, what's done is done, guys. Elon wrecking the market. It happens. We just have to use that to our advantage. We don't have emotions, so we really have to learn from our mistakes. Don't be hurt about these mistakes. Following what Elon says or following what the trend is in the media is one of the most important things to maximizing your gains. Or you guys can just be holding through the storm. I promise this isn't going to start a bear cycle. We did have a lot of news come out at once. This is what happens. It's correlated, guys. They just throw out a bunch of FUD, market dips. We've seen it every single month, but nothing out of the ordinary really has happened. So we're just going to be going over the majority of what the market is showing for tomorrow. Some great buys as well. And let me get into it. I was looking at Trias before this, but yes, Trias is doing fairly well considering. So we still see Bitcoin hovering in the sub 50 era. And what does that mean? Well, that means that Bitcoin below 50, we haven't seen that since, I believe, since last month. But yes, we have been seeing Bitcoin take quite the dips over the past few months. And actually the past year. But yes, we need to be careful. Okay, we need to be careful. I would still not go in too heavy, but yet again, I really want you guys to be able to really understand where the market's trending right now. And as of right now, to be completely honest with you guys, it does look bullish. And I do see some great buying opportunities as of right now. I have been buying quite a lot today. And why am I doing that? Well, I think that this really showed the bottom. We had quite a lot of FUD that came out in 1 or 2 days. We hit that 46K Bitcoin, and then we ended up consolidating around 49 to 50, and I think it's going to be up from here. So let's get into really what we're looking at right now in the market. Well, we see Hedera is up. Don't worry about Bitcoin Diamond or Bitcoin Cash. They're just derivatives from Bitcoin. Yes, there's gains to be made in them, but at the same time, they're just quick gains. If you guys are willing to risk a little bit on the hype involved in any of these Bitcoin derivatives like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Diamond, you can, but there is a lot of risk involved when doing that. But like I said, there are gains to be made all around the market at whatever time it's happening. And guys, look at this. Crypto market's only down 1.72%, and we see Bitcoin dominance at 41%. What does that mean exactly? What does that mean? Well, let's go into the Bitcoin dominance, guys. What do we see? We see Bitcoin dominance hit an all-time low over the past day, guys. We're at an all-time low, and I still see alts pumping this all the way down to, I would say, below 40s. Or Bitcoin dominance in the next day or two. We will see it. We've had quite the decline, guys. We've had quite the decline over the past couple days. We've had almost a 10% decline since May 11th, which is only just 2 days ago. That's quite an extraordinary thing to overcome right there. So you guys have to realize that we are still in altcoin season. These altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. So even though we've had this dip, we are still in altcoin season. Okay, and we kind of have been in altcoin season for three or 4 months, but we're just gonna go with the narrative, okay? All right, so let's get into really where we see this going. Like I said, sub 40 area is definitely possible with the few altcoins that are going to be pumping here soon. But yes, Bitcoin has been definitely relaxing. We were watching this on the 1-minute chart today and really mapping out exactly where we saw it. We noticed that this is a great supply zone for Bitcoin. People were buying up Bitcoin under the 48K level. This was a very, very high volatility, very, very high demand zone. People are buying Bitcoin at 48K. So I don't really see it dipping. We've already tested the 46, the 48, and every time it tests, we see buyers coming out of every single corner of the market buying up Bitcoin then. So if it did stay the past couple of days below 48 to 47, I do see another drop, but we haven't seen that. So this is what leads me to believe that Bitcoin has survived. Maybe over the weekend we could see some more dips with Bitcoin just because it's going to be less volatile. But for tomorrow, I do see green days ahead of us. So we have built a new support level as well for Bitcoin. 4,500 is looking mighty fine for Bitcoin. All right, so let's go into Ethereum. What are we looking for in Ethereum? Well, Ethereum has been kind of hasn't been performing as well as we would like it to, but at the same time, guys, we will probably see an Ethereum run up tomorrow. I do see that completely possible. It broke out of our downwards channel, and now we are reaching this new support level. We kind of broke through this resistance level and then consolidated out. I do see Ethereum breaking out most likely tomorrow and hitting that 4K golden zone again, and then we're going to have 4K ETH through the weekend. I do see ETH hitting around 5K within the next week or so. We really did test the bottoms, guys. We test the bottoms of how far crypto would go without people really buying up this bottom. You guys have to understand that we've had the Binance FUD, we've had Elon disowning Bitcoin, we've had multiple articles, and even some banks were FUDding on Bitcoin. We had quite a lot of the artificial attack on the entire crypto market, just mainly Bitcoin. If they're attacking Bitcoin, they're attacking the entire crypto market. What did we see? We saw resilience, we saw people buying the dip, and we saw shorting as well. So yeah, you guys always need to make sure when that much FUD comes out, if you guys catch it early, there's always a great opportunity to short. And we did short Bitcoin, at least on a few streams, but we really are not going to be doing that anymore just because I'm very confident, guys. I would not recommend to short against Bitcoin unless you guys want to get liquidated. I would say we have an 80 to 90% chance of Bitcoin being bullish tomorrow and the entire market being green. That's very good, okay? But I still see Bitcoin being outperformed by these alts. I see these alts taking off tomorrow. Maybe Bitcoin will go up to 52, 53, but we will see these alts gain that momentum forward. We'll see alts go up 10, 20% tomorrow, and then it will look very nice on the coin market cap charts, I guess you could say. But yes, Ethereum 4K tomorrow is the plan. I have been buying ETH on the dips or longing them on the dips or under 3,500 or 3,576 was my level. And guys, you have to understand ETH under 3,500. Okay, we did have a dip around 3,506 on Ethereum, but look how strong this demand zone is. Look at these people buying Ethereum every time it dips, guys. It's absolutely crazy, the support for Ethereum. I love to see it, but Ethereum is going to definitely outperform Bitcoin. That's without a fact over the next few days. All right, so let's get into the charts real quick on CoinMarketCap. We do have quite the astoundment with Dogecoin. All right, I've been telling you guys this. It's okay. I know some of you guys have the pet peeves on the Dogecoin, and every time Dogecoin gets mentioned, you have that little cringe that goes on. But you guys have to understand. It's 62 billion market cap. They're going to have use case soon. They're going to be building an entire ecosystem. So yes, it's a meme coin, but at the same time, at least they're going to be putting some of that market cap to good use now. Hopefully we could see some great projects develop out of Doge. I can't believe I'm saying that, but it is what it is. So that's just something you guys are going to need to accept. We're emotionless, and you guys just have to accept Dogecoin in your life. Or you guys could be longing and shorting them at the same time, or not at the same time, but yes, you guys could be longing and shorting them. I've been very successful with doing that. So have a lot of other people. Very good opportunities to predict Doge short term. ERSDL, editor wants me to go over ERSDL, up 86% today. I told you guys to buy this dip on ERSDL. I was buying the dip. I sold off my ERSDL once we had that first 20%. I did set a stop loss on them, and I know that might be hurting some of you guys when I'm saying that. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but you guys really need to take that as a learning experience, okay? Always set stop losses, especially on coins that are mid cap to small cap. I know it might be hard to really understand how to do it, but I promise if you guys put your minds to it, you guys spend an hour or two trying to figure it out, trying to tackle how to really apply a stop loss to these mid caps and these small caps, you will figure it out. And with ERSDL currently, we are seeing a major pump. Why is this? Okay, we had a few whales sell off, and my stop loss got hit. And I can guarantee you everyone that has a large allocation has some stop losses on these mid to small caps. And that's what happens. It all hits at once. And you guys will see these large dips, especially in these mid caps. And we even see it with some of these large caps as well. But always be using stop loss because it helps you keep your profits. But guys, we did see a bottom out at 27 cents for ERSDL. Absolutely insane, guys. And now people are realizing, wow, why is this at 27 cents? The CEO was talking on Discord. He was saying that he was trying to fix some of these problems, but he can't fix any of these problems. This was just a whale sell-off, but that's good to see it up 80%. I did buy the dip. I bought some around 35 cents. But that's still a decent amount of profits on ERSDL. I'm probably going to be holding them long term, and I'm going to be taking some profits on them. Of course, going to be looking for some other buys other than just holding a large allocation on Federal Reserve. Very bullish on them, guys. They will be 10x, 20x what they are right now in a year. So I'm just throwing that out there. If you guys are going to be holding long term, anyone who's watching is going to be holding long term, put an allocation in ERSDL and just forget about it. I promise you, you guys will be up 10x. Not financial advice, but just giving some friendly advice to some of you guys. All right, so we had ADA really outperform the market today. Why did that happen? They were #1 trending on Twitter. Should they have been up to $2 today from a technical analysis standpoint? No, they shouldn't have. But when something goes #1 trending on Twitter, this is what happens, guys. And why is DOT up 10%? Because they have actually something with use case coming out, not just trending. I'm not trying to hate on ADA. I'm just stating when something is #1 trending or something is trending at all, you will see the price correlate. And BitBoy shilled ADA as well. I noticed a 5% price increase right when that happened as well. It's pretty cool to see the power of exactly how much these YouTubers have that have these people that will watch their videos and absolutely buy them. But I guess I'm in the same boat. That's why I'm trying to be very careful when I tell you guys what's a good buy, what's a bad buy, and what to do. I always tell you guys, use stop loss. I can't preach it enough. That will help you guys so much. And even you guys that are holding long term, please do it. I wouldn't be repeating it over and over if I really didn't mean it. I want to help you guys out, and stop loss is really a beautiful thing. Okay, so we saw DOT under $30, or not under 30, but under $40. You guys have to be buying DOT under $40. They have a decoding event, it's going to be one of the biggest events that's going to come out on the Polkadot ecosystem or through Polkadot this year, and it's actually coming out in 6 days, I believe, from right now. So you guys are going to be prepared for around a $50 to a $50 DOT at least. I'm not going to say $60, but we will see. I do see this surpassing ADA's market cap if it gets some trending hype. But I don't know why. ADA started to trend so hard. I do understand. I think it's because they're doing something that's really great for the community, and it's pulling some hearts. I think that's a real reason why ADA has been trending. I'm not saying Polkadot isn't doing as much for the community. I'm not going to get too deep into that. But yes, sorry, a little bit antsy right now, but I've just been staring at the charts, and it's just been stagnant, guys. Just been stagnant for the past probably 6 hours. Yeah, whenever I ended my stream, I actually did end up buying a lot of DOT, a lot of VeChain, and a lot of Solana as well. Just some safe plays. I had some allocations, and I was just like, let me put them into something that with 100% certainty, they're going to go up in price a little bit. Just kind of like a stable coin at this point, but with some price action. Normally, I would not do that, guys. Normally, I would not do that, but just because the charts were showing some bullish tendencies, I did do that. Also, Matic, guys. Matic is going to be breaking out very soon. We do see Manic on a little bit of an uptrend. We had a higher high right here. We're trying to pinpoint exactly when it's going to break out again, but this is looking good for Manic. We had this downward channel right here, right? We saw this downward, let me put it right here. Right, so we saw this downward action with Manic, and now we're finally getting some upwards movement. And I'm telling you guys right now, Manic shouldn't be under $2. It doesn't make sense from a trading perspective and from a fundamental perspective. I'm just going to throw that out there. It does not make sense, guys. Does not make sense. Actually, Polygon under $3 does not even make sense to me. But you know what? The current state of crypto, we have Dogecoin actually becoming an amazing project. So we'll look forward to that. But yeah, hopefully Manic has this pump. Hopefully this breaks out to, I believe, the 120 zone. We're going to see some resistance, 119 to 120. Then we have another one at 122. So take some profits, I would say, around 122. All right, so why did I buy VeChain, guys? Why did I buy VeChain? Well, I saw VeChain bounce off of 16, and I was like, this is probably going to pump up to around 22 cents, which is approximately a plus 30%. I believe it was a 36% trade. But yes, I do like catching VeChain around 16 cents. That's not something that you guys will see very often. When we had this other dip, guys, we saw VeChain all the way down to around 13 cents. If you guys rode that up all the way here, you guys would have almost doubled your money. I do see VeChain, and this is how many days? That was a week or 2 weeks. 2 weeks hold for a 1x is not too bad, considering the fact that most people doing stocks are only making 5% a year. So that would take them around 20 years to get the same profit that you are getting in just 2 weeks. So yeah, you guys can't always go for those. Can't go for those small cap 10x's. I like to play it safe, especially with. I probably do this with around. I mean, it matters from portfolio to portfolio. I would say for you guys, really make sure to at least have 50% of your portfolio in these safe alts, and then another round, I would say 30% in Ethereum as of right now, and then 20% into these small caps or trades or whatever you guys are going to want to do. I do not hold these small caps for too long without taking profits. I don't like to really hold these small caps when the momentum swings downwards, which you can easily tell, in my opinion, or with what I've been doing. All right, so yes, we do see VeChain. They swung a little bit. This is just on the 15-minute, but let's put it to the 4-hour. Very bullish on VeChain. I know this is a crypto that a lot of people talk about, but there's a reason, guys. There's a reason. Let me switch them to green. All right, so let's go over Solana. I'm just giving you guys some great buys right now. If we do have another dip in the market, it's okay, guys, because we're not 100% in as of right now. I have around 20% left of my stable coins, but I'm going to be taking profits right when I get that 20 to 30% gain, and then having around a 40 to 50% Ethereum in my account. Or in my portfolio, just to prepare for, I don't know, I might actually shoot for 50 to 60%, to be completely honest. I just want you guys to really consider playing it safe as well, but move your stop losses up when that happens. Yes, so 50 to 60%. Why is Sol not on here? Here we go. So why did I buy Sol? Well, first of all, let's go to the 15-minute, guys. We saw this 38, or I don't think I was streaming then, but I saw a 38 opportunity to buy Sol off of this support. I bought Sol off of this support. I don't make these support lines randomly, guys. I really do have a nick for trying to get as accurate support levels as I can, because we see people notice these support levels too. These traders are always buying these support levels. And you guys have to make sure to really understand support and resistance so you can get the best buys for the best banter bags, okay? And you really need to understand that the banter bags. Smash the like button and smash the subscribe button for the banter bags, okay? So we're going to be doing the banter bags, okay? All right, but what we're doing right now is we're looking at exactly when it bounces off the supports. When you guys see this many red candles as well, you see it bounce off the supports. You see the little candlestick below it. And what I really was looking for when I bought this is exactly when this candle turned green, and I saw this large wick downwards. I knew that there was some buying pressure, and I put in that order. And what I normally do is I do 2 or 3 orders, but I actually was like, you know what, I'm going to just FOMO into this because this candle looks too good not to. So that's exactly why I did it. But like I said, this support level was very, very strong for Solana. We haven't seen it bounce to this support level since actually ever. When was the last time we did it? All the way back in April 24th was when we had that support level broken. So that's a very good thing to see. Yeah, I do see this bouncing back up to the 46 range very easily. I still see a good buy. If you guys buy around 40% of your amount of trade around this 40 level, 4153 exactly, I would put in a buy order there. That's not a bad price. So that is good as well. What's up with HBAR? Why was I buying HBAR on stream? Well, I did ape into it a little bit, guys. I did ape into it a little bit. Why did I ape into it? Well, I don't ape into much things, but I did not catch HBAR early. I was not really focused on exactly where the market was trending exactly on HBAR. I should have been. I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes I miss one once in a while. I really try and all right, guys. Sorry. I know I should have gone H-bar. But yes, we need to see H-bar. I did have a sell target around 40 cents. It did not hit it, but I do see that maybe possibly happening. But I have moved my my stop loss up another 5% in case there's a dip, just because this hype could end on H-bar. I do see H-bar being a very good long-term hold, but I'm only trying to get these short-term gains. That's what I mean when I'm saying this. You guys really should never buy when you guys see this many candles and a breakout like this. But I just want to let you guys know, move that stop loss up. I think I bought them around 33 cents on stream. But I told you guys to wait for a dip. I was being an absolute monkey. Okay, this was me being a small-brained ape. Not the best decision. I just thought that it could break out another 30%, being a little bit greedy, trying to chase the money. Sometimes I do make those mistakes, guys, and I'm still up around, I think, that's around 8% or 7%, or actually 6.4% from that, I believe. Math, guys. So also, what do we see with ADA? H-bar is a great long-term hold for anyone that's wanting to long-term hold them. I will suggest around 30 cents would be a great price target to get some H-bar. I do see that being bullish. So we see ADA forming this new support level, guys. This new support level. Actually, it's been a support level for a while. This is where it broke out from, guys. This is when we had this breakout to around almost $2 with ADA. What did I say? When did I take profits on ADA? 195, guys. 195. This is a psychology thing. Things do not hit $2 normally, or that round perfect number. That's always a very great thing to notice. Is it's very hard for something to break out of a round number, especially ADA. Yes, on Coinbase Pro, ADA was $2, but you have to understand those round numbers. It's a psychology trick, and I don't know. I've just noticed that I've had some trades in the past that haven't hit on that round number, but I like to do around maybe for example 195 for ADA. That's what I said. So. Somehow it panned out. That was just a complete guess, guys. That was just a complete guess. But just a couple percent before at that round number is always not a bad idea. You will have people put it exactly at round numbers. Exactly. We still are showing a bit of an uptrend, just a little downtrend in the short 15-minute time frame. Let me put it on the 5-minute to really get a good adjustment on ADA. This is on Kraken, by the way, so this graph is not too well. Where's my other ADA at? On Binance. Kraken, by the way, guys, is not allowing people to withdraw their money, withdraw their euros, okay? I do not hold any money on Kraken, by the way. I believe I put this on there, so do not hold your money in Kraken, especially if you guys are in a different country besides America. If you guys are in Europe, or just don't hold Kraken overall, okay? It's not a great exchange. I'm not going to recommend Kraken to anyone, guys, as I look at another Kraken graph on ADA. But yes, we do see still an uptrend on ADA. This was May 13th still. Still saw that breakout, guys. Look at this massive breakout that we saw with ADA. Hopefully you guys are taking some profits there. I don't see ADA as a good buy as where it is right now. I do see other things being a lot more bullish than them. The $2 is going to be a very hard price. They are going to sell off once they get to $2, and then we might see a little retracement and then bounce up to around 225. It's going to be the next level. All right, so let's see what's doing bad today. First of all, Trias down 8%, HDR down 5%, Shiba. We're not looking at Shiba anymore. I just threw that one up there just to really see the sell-off that we had. That was pretty funny to see. Yes, guys, look at ADA versus Ethereum, guys. You would not be doing too well today. This is what I'm saying, guys. All these people that promote ETH selling, they don't understand that sometimes technical analysis doesn't pan out as you should, because you're not actually following the market trends. So really make sure to be trading against Bitcoin if you guys are doing this pair trading. And if you guys do not know what pairing is, Binance has a perpetual market where you guys can trade against these currencies, Ethereum and Bitcoin, okay? I know a lot of you guys know this, but let's just talk about this so they can understand, the people that don't know. Binance, if you guys go to the Binance market, you can trade ADA against Ethereum. So let's say Ethereum's $1, for example, and ADA's $10. Ethereum goes down to 50 cents. You make ADA, and then you could transfer it out into Ethereum. Yes, we want to be holding Ethereum, but at the same time, we want to be making as much gains as we can. And I do see these alts outperforming Bitcoin and more than outperforming Ethereum. All right. Like I said, Sol ETH is down too, guys. Look at all these ETH traders they didn't get the gains today. I think I might still be a little bit sick, guys. I have been sick for quite a while, guys. I've been getting tired. I've been getting tired recently too, but you know what? This wakes me up completely. ICP, okay, we'll throw on some ICP. I'm going to be going back and I will be answering some of your guys' questions, but I really want to let you guys know that you know what, I didn't have too much planned for the stream. There's not too much. Had a few buys. We did most of the buying in that longer stream that we had, and I want to let you guys know that you're in good hands here. I really want you guys though to be in better hands. Okay, how are you going to be in better hands? Watch other people, learn on your own. Really try and study the market as much as you can if you guys want to be successful. I'm telling you, if you guys stopped watching me and you guys studied and you guys forgot about me, I want you guys to be able to do that and really be successful, okay? This channel isn't just for you guys to come watch here and steal trades and use my trades. I want you guys to really be successful on your own, okay? And do not buy the small caps that I suggest. Don't FOMO into those. Because that's not the best method. I'm probably going to not talk about too many small caps until I actually find one that's very, very worthy of talking about. You guys have to understand, these small caps only pop off when they're shilled, okay? You have to be shilling small caps in order for them to grow, meaning people have to be talking about them a lot. So just throwing that out there. I do own some ICP, guys. So when did I buy some, okay? A lot of people have been asking me about my ICP. I'm going to talk about it now. Just because I do see it consolidating a little bit around this level of 250 to around 330 is a great zone for ICP's consolidation. But I do see ICP definitely staying around this zone, but then breaking out around the 400 zone. Probably going to be happening on this week or maybe next week. We'll see that. You guys have to understand that this is a very, very well-developed project. Some people are like, how is this $54 billion? Where did this come from? Cotton Eye Joe. And really what happened with ICP is they've been out for years, guys, and they've just been working on this project. They've had a lot of investors, guys. Basically, every single CEO, Binance CEO, ADA CEO, who else? I believe Ocean Protocol CEO. A lot of Polkadot people were involved with this. A lot of Polkadot devs have been involved with ICP over the years. But yes, I do know a few people that work for ICP and have been working on them. And the amount of information in my video, guys, that if you guys watch it and really understand my video, you will see the potential that ICP has. Yes, they are the next Ethereum. And some people are like, oh my gosh, why are you going against my god Vitalik? But we don't have emotions here. If you guys really understand the details that I'm talking about ICP, and understand the numbers and the revenue and the entire potential that they have. This is just a long-term hold. Make sure to wait for dips on them, guys. Wait for them to at least be under 300 to really pick some up, though. I'm going to tell you guys that. But we are seeing a little bit of consolidation in this 250 to 335 zone. I know a lot of you guys are picking some up under 300. Good for you. You guys are up today on them. Just most people aren't shilling them because they don't understand it. You know, there's a lot of there's a big knowledge barrier when it comes to crypto, and I've been doing it a while, and I really do love every tech aspect. I don't talk about too much tech on this channel. I mean, sometimes we get into it, but I really should be getting into more tech talk. But then we would lose viewers and stuff. I will at some point. All right, so we saw ADA, and we saw Polygon Tether. We saw Polygon just hit this breakout, guys. It broke out of this channel, broke out of the support, guys. Look, it breaks out of the support, and then we saw that little run up. That's good to see. That just happened, I believe, before I started the stream. So let me get into some of your guys' questions. That's really all I have to go over in the stream. I do see Luna being bullish as well, but I mean, a $15 Luna, guys. Why, right? Why? Theta, yeah, we did only make like 3% off of our Theta trade, if you guys followed that. No, I think it was like 8 or 9%, but it was probably one of the bad trades that we had. I'm not the biggest fan of NFTs. If you guys haven't noticed, yes, I made a killing off of NFTs last year, but you guys have to understand NFTs have died in hype and use case. All right, so why do you say we should not use Kraken? Kraken is very shady. In my opinion. You really have to look into what they've been doing recently. Go look into what they are having a problem with Europeans right now. Anyone who's in Europe right now, I believe you guys cannot withdraw your money from Kraken. So yes, very, very relaxed stream here. I just want to let you guys know this is the calm before either the calm before the breakouts, okay? The calm before the breakouts. We might have a little bit of a breakdown on Bitcoin, probably see around at the least 47 Bitcoin, but that's not going to be too impressive, too wiping out your portfolios. But that's why we still have around 20% in stable coins if you guys are following my lead on that. But yes, I think that's the absolute bottom for Bitcoin because we have tested it. A lot of FUD out. We really need something very catastrophic to bring it lower than that. And I don't see that happening. Okay, so Solana and VET for some quick and safe profits. Yes, I do believe in that. I really do. Solana, very undervalued VET. And also, Polkadot has pumped up today. We've made profits off of these ones. I wouldn't suggest buying into stuff that's up on green. Buy into these projects that are extremely undervalued, that are red, like Solana, VeChain. Yeah, I mean, those are two that I know that are going to be able to go up. We did buy some BNB earlier as well. We bought some Binance coin. I believe it was around 525. At least I know I have a buy order in at 525. How low was it? That must have been during the dip. Was there a 525 on VeChain? $535. Let me check. Sorry guys, this is angering me. All right, so it was 537. 537. That was a good price, I guess. All right, so will ETH reach 10K this year? Dodo Nut. Love the name, but yes, it will. What's the best current buy right now? There's multiple. I can't really say the best current buy because you can say that, but you can't predict hype, man. You really can't predict hype. So just throwing that out there. Discord updates. Want me to go through the Discord? Is that it? Or update on Discord? Like, do they want to join it? Oh, if you guys want to join the Discord, go to Telegram. I have a Telegram. It's extremely toxic Telegram, but I do love the Telegram community. It's you guys want to get away from the Telegram though. If you guys want to get into a community where they don't shill meme coins, we do have a Discord where you guys can post articles, read articles, and kind of understand more in depth. Kind of get a community of people that are going to be hardworking, because we are going to be removing people that aren't going to be staying updated on that on that Discord. And if you guys want to be in a toxic, more toxic community, still love you guys in the Telegram. You guys are absolute apes, absolute maniacs. That's for more the toxic side. But the free Discord, go into the Telegram and it's pinned. Okay, it's pinned in the Discord. I'll post another link at Trox. Been watching you for 6 weeks after becoming a Doge Baron. Thank you. Let's buy the guy a proper set with some ferns and vases. Not sure what that means, Ben, but Doge Baron. Yes, I have been putting my Doge profits, though, into good profits. I can tell you guys that for sure. No, I really want to help you guys, though. You guys can make gains, okay, on your own, just with the strategies I've been preaching. It's not hard to find these support resistance levels. Read a book. Read books. The more you learn, I promise, the more successful you guys are going to be in crypto. First of all, if you guys have the motivation, you guys have the testosterone, I guess you could say. Not really testosterone, just the motivation. You guys can do it. Don't be greedy, okay? Have strict guidelines. I do give you guys strict guidelines. I'd rather have you guys make very little gains. Play with fake money, okay? Play with fake money first, but really learn support resistance. Read that entire 180-page book. It's completely free. You guys can buy books online to learn trading for like $50, but I'm gonna tell you right now, that's stupid, okay? There's free books out there on trading. There's this one guy has 10 years worth of experience in crypto, a great friend of mine, and he really shows the way on that, and he puts it perfectly in a book so a beginner could understand it. And you guys need to be strict. You guys need to have a stop loss, buy entry, understand hype, understand good buys, and be patient. Can we look at Polkadot? Okay, let's go look at Polkadot. I believe we just did look at Polkadot, did we? Yes, Polkadot is looking good, though. On the charts, we are going to see this breakout within the next 6 days. Probably going to be to $48 is my guess. We have been consolidating quite a lot. Trias rocket ship. Okay, you guys love to hit the rocket ships on the low caps. I get safemoon rocket ship. I get Trias rocket ship. I guess it's just a statement at this point. It's pretty funny. All right, so read Elon's tweet to become successful. Reef. Okay, we will talk about Reef. Beautiful site on Reef, guys. If you guys know any web designers, tell them to look at Reef Finance. Substrate, guys, by the way, it's a substrate. Do love me some substrates. But they have a beautiful site. I do love their site. I'm not going to talk about them too much, except for how beautiful their site is. I'm kind of going to troll you a little bit, but you told me to buy pop at some janky Korean exchange, and it popped 20x the next few days later. Yeah, we did get a 20x on that one. I'm not going to talk about that one too much, but guys, we do get 20x's, okay? We do get 20x's, and it was off some janky Korean exchange. It really was. Yeah, Ben, it was. I love how you called it a janky Korean exchange. Yeah. We've had actually, I've been doing this YouTube shindig for the past month and a half, and we've had quite a lot of gains on these small caps. And I know that gets your ape testosterone up. I know you people that are absolute apes, absolute maniacs. Yes, you guys can ape into some stuff, but really be careful. Really understand that once you acquire a decent amount of money, you guys can make money all the time in crypto. If you guys stick to a strategy, you guys learn, you guys get educated. I promise you can. Learn how to short, learn how to long, but do not do shorting or longing until you guys really become successful through practicing. How do we find your friend's book? Okay, go to my tutorial video. I believe I have it linked. Or editor, can you post the Google Drive link and put it into the chat right now? How do you feel about the green friendly ones? Like, oh, we did buy XRP. Okay, we did buy XRP. The green friendly ones. Okay, Joe Biden supports XRP and XLM, by the way. So yes, we support them on this channel, or else we'll get shut down, guys. I did buy 5% of my portfolio in XRP. I have a lot of people, a lot of my friends. They're telling me that XRP is gonna break out. It's gonna break out, and I do believe in it. XRP is a great long-term hold. Not too many people realize that. I try and trade them on momentum, but I got talked into it. I got peer pressured into buying 5% of my portfolio with XRP by some XRP maximalist. Not really, but yes. Don't leverage your money, you will lose. Kurt Anderson, you're completely right. Don't leverage your money unless you guys put over 100 or 200 hours into learning it. You're completely right. 5% of you guys will be successful leverage trading. 95% of you guys will lose money. If you guys read a book, read that book. If you guys practice with fake money for the next for at least 100, 200 hours, you guys might be one of those 5% that become successful in leverage trading. But I'll tell you what, leverage trade only when catastrophic events happen in the market. That's the only time I leverage trade, or at least I'll tell you guys I leverage trade. And it's very, very easy to get some gains shorting the markets, especially after a catastrophic event. If you guys catch it early, that's really very, very something. Why was I kicked out of the Discord, Rev? It could have been a meme coin incident. It could have been you weren't posting enough. I believe I had my editor was accidentally kicked out or something from the Discord chat. I will fix that tomorrow. I'm actually going to call you tomorrow. Graphics designer person. I'm looking forward to speaking to you. We have 3 people working on the team right now. I'm going to be acquiring more people, guys. I'm really going to make this channel an amazing, safe place. Yeah, give this man a like. If you guys can smash that like button. I'm probably going to be ending the stream here. We've kind of covered everything, and we see this reef page. I lost all my money with leverage trades. Yes, like I said, guys. You want to know why you lost all your money with leverage trades? Because you watched BitBoy, okay? Because you watched Crypto, because you watched the moon. And what you guys have to understand is these people, okay, they have lots and lots of hours in leverage trading, and they also have 1,000 or 2,000 suckers buying their trades, and it's very easy to be successful when you guys have people buying your trades or buying in before you. So I want to let you guys know this right now. That we really have a great opportunity though to make money without leverage trading. I'm just bringing it up. I want you guys to be holding and buying long term. Most of you guys that aren't putting the hours into it, to those people that are putting the hours into crypto, who are staying up late at night, who are really trying to understand crypto, do not leverage trade. I don't want you guys to leverage trade, okay? If you're new, if you're a beginner, really understand how the market moves, how it works. I really do not want to be hurting anyone on this channel, okay? I only want to be helping you. Make sure to set stop loss. We're not going to talk about leverage trading probably for another 2 months on this channel, I promise, until you guys are really familiar. And by the way, make sure to really understand the bands of bags, okay? All right, so that's going to be the end of the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing a stream tomorrow morning. Bitcoin's chilling right now. It's been chilling for the past whole entire 6-7 hours. So make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. There's a lot of content that I'm going to be posting, a lot of mainly tutorials and streams. That's really going to be my main goal. It's very easy for me to stream. I could just make my videos instead of streaming. So I'm probably going to be doing that. So hope you guys are going to have a great day or night. Make sure to stay strict, stick to a strategy, and the more you learn, I promise you guys, the more successful you will be. I know learning sucks. Boo learning. We just want to copy your trades, but I promise you guys, those of you that are actually out there going to be putting in the time to learn, do not go full FOMO in. Okay, do not FOMO in. Make sure you learn before you guys really get the knowledge or the patience to really start doing this trading ordeal. Okay. So that's going to be the end, okay? Hope you guys have a great day, great night, wherever you guys are in this world. And yes, that was great.